Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here to show you the pages that I have done 15 through 17. I have no idea what happened to the video. I recorded it and did all the decor and the video went poof. So I don't know. So here's 15. I put a pocket on it with some bling. And over here I put a little journaling card inside with a little tab with the pieces that I have cut off the edges, and that's what I do. Now on number 16, on day 16, I took a printable from Decorate Your Life and made a side pocket, and then I took more of the printables, made a tag, and made a journaling card. And on day 17, I made a tuck spot here, and then I put the bottom piece over here to match the tuck spot, and that is that. So those are pages 15 to 17. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, please be safe, be kind, be crafty, be blessed, and bye-bye for now.